And here with me is... Philippines! Ayan, si Princess po na hindi pa po nagsusuklay. Alam niyo, for some reason po, ang suklay po ay always lost in space dito po sa bahay namin. Nakakaloka. So anyways, what are we gonna do today?
We are going to make a bracelet, a ring, or a bead toy.
Bead toy. A bracelet, a ring, or a bead toy. So, ang meron po kami ngayon is this cordless DIY pop beads. Okay, why is it cordless, Princess?
Because you don't need a cord to make it because you can just pop it.
Oh, di ba? Sabi nga cordless nga, di ba? Kasi hindi nga kailangan ng cord. Meaning, kasi di ba kung meron kayong mga ginagawa ng mga jewelry
like
set.
Like this Aussie.
Yan. Di ba like some jewelry accessory set, baby, di ba? What they do is, kailangan may cord pa.
Yes.
Cord or string. Right?
Yeah, and
diba?
it's a little hard because you have to tie it pa.
So this one, cordless siya. Ayan.
Yeah, you can
So,
just pop it.
What do you mean by pop it? So ito Princess, show this to them. So this is like, what? Ikaw na
You can
mag-ano?
spill it here.
Ay, sige. Spill natin dito. Where do you get this box?
There.
Yan. So this is it, guys.
Yeah. There are like over 100 pieces, but I gave some to my cousin.
Okay, over 100 pieces. How did you know that's over 100?
I don't know. There's so many.
Oo nga naman, di ba? But I think that's over 100. You're correct. Okay, game. So, for example...
I made this bracelet.
Nice! How do you make that? Show it to them.
You can just do like this, and then you can just like put it back.
I mean, how did you make it? Can you make something?
Yeah. Like
Wait
this.
natin. Cordless naman po siya. So, it's pop beads, meaning, kung makikita nyo po, ayan, yan po yung beads. Tapos ito, i-attach nyo lang po. So, you just gotta be creative in making it,
Yeah,
right?
and you can even make earrings.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is it.
Okay, game.
So,
Babe, yung braso mo, sinakop yung buong screen.
I like
Magkano
this.
per kilo?
I like this one because it has blue and pink.
Okay. O sige, make a bracelet in front of them na.
Okay, so you can just pick any color. There's 3 colors. Yeah, I think 4 or 3.
7, 9, 10, 11.
There are lots of colors.
Okay.
There are
So,
4 colors of bracelets. And then you can, if you want to make a bracelet,
move here, babe.
okay, you can just like, if you want this, you can snap it in the middle, like that.
Okay.
Or if you want this, you can just snap. And then snap here.
Yan, meron na. But how did you make this one?
Oh,
Ito walang ganito, babe.
okay.
Ang kagandahan pa dito, you can change it anytime,
Yeah,
diba? So
and
it's not
then-
just one design always.
But guys, it's a little hard. But you'll get used to it. It's fun making them.
Okay, sige. Show
Like
them.
this. If you want a pink one, you can just do like this. Diba you see the line? And then you see this hole, you can just snap it. Snap. Like that. See? Now there are 3. And then, if you want more pink, you can just snap more pink.
Okay.
And then, always snap the pink. Snap the pink all together. If you want the pink and pink every time. Like this. Snap. And like this. Snap. If you want a pink bracelet. But if it's still small and you cannot put it together pa, you just needed...
Why are you making a super pink one? Ba't
Because
puro pink?
I'm telling them if you want to make a pink
Oo
bracelet.
nga naman. Sinabi niya naman kasi. Pag hindi ka pa nakagawa, snap lang naman ang eksena. Ewan ko na lang po
This.
sa'yo.
Wow. You see? Tapos, if it's done, tapos it can fit you, just snap it.
Yay!
I don't know if it can fit.
Baka hindi fit kay mom, but this can fit you.
Yeah.
Yay! O, yan. So, kung gusto nyo yung Technicolor like what Princess did here, pwede din naman. So, kung gusto nyo ng ganito, pwede din naman.
But most
Diba?
of the time, I follow the instructions.
Yes.
This one.
Really?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, pwede mo rin gawin yan. So, we can try to make more, tapos papakita natin after. So, pwedeng, actually, pwede kayong maging creative or pwede nyo rin i-follow yung patterns. So, meron ditong patterns ng paggawa ng bracelet, may pattern ng paggawa ng ring. Ayan. So, this is a perfect bonding moment for kids. Perfect bonding moment for family.
I made the yellow ring.
Diba? Perfect po talaga ito kasi at least napapractice ang kanilang creativity diba, at ang kanilang imagination. Pero bago tayo, Princess, gumawa ng maraming mga bracelet, magsuklay muna tayo ng buhok, okay?
Yeah.
Salamat sa pagnood! Bye! Don't forget to
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hope to like our videos. Hi, I want to show you my creation.
Can I see?
A toy creation.
Can I see? You know.
It's supposed to be a boy because it's like all blue. Yeah.
Oh, cute.
It can like swim.
Like a puppet.
Yeah, it's like a puppet, but it doesn't have any string. A puppet without
A string. That's all right because this one without string naman, cordless.
Yeah.
Always your number one SM radio station.